Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can easily use a TeamView in Monday.com. So the first thing you want to do and how you can add it to Monday.com, you just click here, add view plus, more views, search team, and when you would scroll down below you can see it here, TeamView. Click on it, and what you can do is to add to your account, install, and you're gonna have also like a free trial with it, and choose a feature. Get started by adding one of the features of the app. TeamView dashboard widget or board view. We want to have a board view. Now the main workspace is going to be, and then let's say this is going to be customer project or YouTube channel, and voila, here we got it. So how to operate with it and what you can do. So you can simply configure boards. Now you have option pre-select and configure boards for your team. So we can have YouTube status 1 or status, the status column. Assigning column is going to be person. You can calculate time, estimates width, or due dates. And these are all the things that I see. YouTube channel, single project, customer project. You can choose which board you want. When I'm going to click save, let's say this one here. Save. And look at this, how it looks like. So right now I see that workload unassigned got not done, done for 100%. But they are like, look at these. So I can go with later means as a done. But when I come here to the main table, and it really depends how we're gonna like optimize it. And this is going to be stuck. And I'm going to TeamView. Look at this. These are done or stuck. So you can always configure it as much as you want. So when I'm going to click here, and like, okay, you need to choose a done status. So let's say this is the done status, green one. Right now, when I'm going to click it, this is the correct one. You see that not done, the unassigned tasks are not done by anyone. Mark Kamenitsky 99 got one done and one stuck, and Mark Kamenitsky got one task not done. And this is how properly it should work. I made a mistake there. So you can come simply here and again configure the boards, and you can really choose which one you want. You can also calculate time with expenses or due dates. That's what you can do too. So I can see clearly here that time until, task capacity, specific maximum task capacity for a person. Let's say this would be 5. And you always see, like, in the moment when I'm going to change the capacity, you see how many tasks they can do, right? Maximum time capacity is, let's go 50. You can change that. You're gonna see also the show item due dates, show item full name, show item board and group info. And then you're gonna see the items per page. You have 20, 30. Again, you edit that how much you want. So you're gonna have, you can change between the number of tasks and time estimate. You can switch between that, and of course what you can do is the time unit, if it's going to be points, days, hours, none. And this is pretty much how it works. So to go even for different project, it looks really similar. So single project here, I can go and add TeamView, same thing, okay, configure, and now I got the single project here, and status, and it's going to be done is this one, owner, and then you have also to see advanced option. You can have like how many you want to load the items. item view timeline, select the status colors you want to exclude from item view, that you don't want to like future steps. Then I would click save, and it's really similar. So you see the not done are 8, then done are 2 here, and then working on it is only 1, and these 2 are done. If I'm going to, on the right side, change the task capacity for 5, I can simply change between this. So this is pretty much it, how you can use the TeamView for Monday.com. If you have some of your own tips about TeamView or what you can use here, ask me down in the comments or share it down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to hear that. Now, Monday.com is a perfect platform that you can use. I really believe in that. So I hope you're having a great day. Let me down below in the comments, guys, also for how long have you been using Monday.com. I'll be really happy to hear that too. You know how you do that. Also, for what projects are you actually using Monday.com? That's interesting too. So yeah, thank you very much, guys, for watching. I hope we're going to have a great day, and see ya and goodbye.